Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Olab TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you the continuation of Caldera quest that we are embarking on. I believe if you are following me, we did Caldera week 1, Caldera week 2, Caldera week 3, and here is the week 4 of Caldera quest that we are doing on Galxe, as you can see. So this is the week 4. So in today's video, I'm going to take you step by step guide on how you can claim your points on Caldera network. It's actually a very simple task, as you can see. Moderator, Twitter followers on all the mode network, Discord verify, mode network, Twitter liker, mode network, Twitter retweeters and all that. This one is said bridge to mode testnet, mode network, Twitter like and all that. So I'm going to take you step by step guide on how you can do this. So if this is your first time seeing my channel, please do well and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so as to not miss any opportunity like this. So thank you. So let's get down to business. I don't want to waste most of our time. So let's go down. So the first task is mode network Twitter followers. Remember, I will be leaving the links of all the sites we are dealing with here in the description of the video. So let's go down to business. This one say mode network Twitter followers. All you just have to do is just to follow them on Twitter. So let's click on it. Then let's see, it's loading. So you just have to follow the Twitter, then that's it. Just like that, as easy. Follow. So I follow that. So the next one say Moon Network Discord verified. Let's go to their Discord. Remember, let me click verify this to mark it. So let me mark this one first. Okay. It's requesting for me to sign in okay. So I've marked it. So the next one is Mode Network Discord verify. Let's go to their Discord server to to go and join the server. Once you join the server, you verify yourself. Once you verify yourself, you come back here to come and claim your point. So let's wait for it to load. So it's taking me accept invite. So click on accept invite. It's asking me to verify myself if I'm a robot or something. So if I'm a robot, let me click on this. Click on this. So you just have to verify yourself since you are a woman. Please click on the head of animal. The head of animal, this is the head of animal. So your own might not be like this, but say please click on the head of animal. So this one is just to verify maybe you are a human being or a robot. That's just it. So this is not where we are going actually. The verification they mention in this is to verify yourself in their Discord server. Yeah, to verify yourself in their Discord server so and become a member. So once you've been verified on the Discord server, you'll be able to, so as you can see, it's taking us to the Discord server. So once you are in the Discord server, you just have to do some things to get verified. It's just as simple as that, because most of the Discord server they have different way of verification. They have different way. Some might say you should click on one logo, another one might say you should click on this. So they have different way of their own, they have different way of verification. So let's wait for it to load and see their own way of verification. So let's wait for it to load and wait for their own. So let's go back to the page. It has already loaded up. So as you can see, this is the Discord site. All you just have to to verify, as you can see, Moon Network here. As you can see here, it says verification. Just click on verification. So you can just mark here before you go down. You can just mark here first. Then let's go to verification side. As you click on verify, press the verify button below to protect. Just click on verify. Once you click on verify, it bring some words to write. As you can see, it's very simple. 88666785. So that's what we just follow. 8, it's confirming. The second one say 82. This one is 6, 6 again, then 7. You don't have to put space or so. Then 8, then 5. So once you click on it, just click mark. Then so as you can see, we only have three options, which is welcome, rules and verification before. But now we have many options now. That means you've been verified. As you can see, they say you have been verified. So that's just it. So that's just it. That's just what they ask us to do. But actually you can claim any role here. Maybe you are in Nigeria, you can just click, like for instance, me, I'm in Nigeria, so you can just click it. So you can claim any role and you can mark it here too. So that's what about it. But that's not what they ask us to do. They just ask us to join the Discord and verify. So let's go back to our quest and see if they will mark it for us. So let's click on mark here to see if we have done that. If we've done that, it will mark. Then at times it might wait for some for some minutes before it can mark. So as you can see, it's marked. So the next one is a mode network Twitter liker. All you just have to do in this one, as you can already know, is just to like one of the Twitter, any random Twitter they bring. So let's click on it and see what will happen. So take us to the Twitter. If you are using a mobile phone, it will just direct you to your Twitter page, and all you just have to just to like. Once you like, come back here to come and verify. As you can see, like. So I would like that. So let me click on verify for them to verify. This one say mode network tweet retweeters. So all you just have to do on this one is just to retweet. So let's click on this and retweet. This one I've marked, it was on mark too. So as you can see, so let's click on retweet too and let's retweet. Let's retweet. Let's retweet. Sorry about the network here. Let's click on retweet. So you just have to do is just to retweet. So as you can see, repost. It's still the same thing. As you can see the sign here, because if you are using a mobile phone, this green sign you are seeing here is the retweet button. So if you are using a mobile phone, remember that. So let's click on it to repost. Once you repost, we've done that already. So let's click to verify. Then the next tag says bridge to mode testnet. Remember, what do you mean by testnet? Testnet is actually a token that is not yet on mainnet. So you understand? The testnet, we have many testnet faucet like that. So this one say bridge to mode testnet. Let's click on it and let it direct us to the page. So we should bridge to the mode network. So let's click on it. And see what's bring. Let's click on it. Bridge to mode network. So all you just have to do is just to bridge from one network to another. I mean from any network that gives us, as you can see. So it's asking us for Sepolia. We have, as you can see, it's asking us for Sepolia testnet token. What do you mean by Sepolia testnet token? Sepolia testnet token is just like, it's just an Ethereum token, but it's on testnet. It's not, you cannot buy it where, as in you cannot see it on any exchanger or something like that. So it's just like testnet token to test and to do some many other things like that. So how do you get these tokens? Actually I get the tokens, but let me just take you to where you can get the token for free. So you understand? Where you can get the token for free. Actually, you can only claim the token once in a day. Once in a day. Remember that. So let's minimize this page and let's go to the site. I will leave the site link on the description of this video too, where you can get your Sepolia testnet. As you can see, Sepolia testnet. All you just have to do once you enter this site is just to, let me take you down to the page. So yeah, as you can see, We have many testnet token here, available token, Gold ETH, Linear ETH, Sepolia ETH. So we are dealing with Sepolia ETH here. So all you just have to do is just to let's click on Sepolia ETH. So that's what we want. As you can see, Sepolia ETH file set. It's just a file set, it's just a token to use to do some transaction and order. It's not real money. That's just it. All you just have to do here is just to paste your wallet. As you can see, step one, put your wallet address. So let me go to my MetaMask and copy my wallet address. Once I go to my MetaMask, you can actually copy any address. As you can see, let me just copy any of the address. So let me click on it. Let me paste. So as you can see, so the second one say follow at Faucet Trade. I've already did that before, but you just have to click on it, then follow them on Twitter. So after you follow them on Twitter, so you did the second task. This, as you can see, Faucet Trade. So I've already followed them. In your case, you just have to follow them. Then the third task is tweet. So once you click on tweet, remember, check this step 3, put your tweet URL. So once you tweet this tweet they are about to tweet, you have to copy the URL of the tweet and paste it here. So let's go down and tweet it. So that's for the task 3. So as you can see, first set send it to token. So just post. After you post, as you can see, your post was sent. Let me just view the post and then copy the URL, copy link. So I've copied the link, then I'll paste the link here so that they will confirm. So that's the link of the URL. So let me just click I'm not a robot. I'm not a robot. Palm tree, where is palm tree? All the image that contain palm tree. Let me just verify. So as you can see, the next thing is just to click receive tokens. But before that, come and check my balance on Sepolia testnet. I already have Sepolia testnet on my account. As you can see, let me just switch to. As you can see, we have Gioli testnet, we have Sepolia testnet, we have Nilia Gold. So we are dealing with Sepolia. Let me just click on Sepolia. As you can see, I have 1.08 Sepolia testnet already. Well, let me just receive the token for the sake of this video, because your own might be 0 or something like that, but I have it already. So let's click on receive tokens. Once I click on receive tokens, they will send it directly to this. As you can see, they say your transaction has been sent. You should be receiving 0.01 Sepolia ETH shortly. So let me go and check and confirm. Remember, I have 1.08. Sure, you understand? So it's not yet arrived. It's not yet arrived. So it's not yet arrived. I can just refresh the list to see if it is arrived. I just refresh the page to see. So in your case, you just have to click on it, then you will receive your Sepolia. As you can see, arrived 1.1 instead of 1.08. So they actually give us, as they say here, they only give us 0.1 here. So it has added to my balance. That is this about this. How you can get the testnet. So there is another site you can also get the testnet too. Let me take you down to this one. I will drop the link of those one too. You see file set list here. So as you can see, we have Gioli file set, we have Sepolia file set, we have Mumbai file set, we have BNB chain testnet file set, Avalanche Fuji testnet file set, Chainlink testnet file set, Solana testnet file set, Phantom testnet file set. So that is that about this one too. So anyone you want, maybe you want to do something, they ask you for any testnet token, you can just come directly to this site and claim your file set. It's very simple. Once you click on try now, it will take you to the page, input your wallet address and follow the step, then you will receive the tokens free. So that's that about that. So because of this tutorial, so we've claimed our testnet. So we've claimed our testnet now. So let's go down to our page. So which is the page we minimize them. They say we should bridge to they say we should bridge Sepolia to mode network. So what you just have to do is just to connect our wallet. As you can see, connect wallet. So we have MetaMask here. So let's click on MetaMask. Then asking me for signing in. So let me just sign in, connect wallet. So I've connected my wallet. So all you just have to do is just to bridge. As you can see, my available balance of wallet here 1.1851. So you understand? So in your own case, if you are on zero before, they will only give you 0.1. Yeah. So what you just have to do is just to click. Let's say in your own case, you can just put 0.0. You cannot use everything because of gas fee and all that. Let's say 0.01. So if you are given 0.1, you can use 0.01 or 0.05, any amount. But so let's just move funds to mode. Let's move fund to mode. This will deposit over into mode letter via bridge contract address. So that's it. So you just have to sign the contract, confirming the transaction. Once the fund is moved, success transaction as you can see, this is your transaction you have already moved 0.05 to your mode network. So that's it. As you can see, they've changed it here. So as you can see, let me click switch to see if the balance is there. It's not yet arrived because it's supposed to bring the fund we move supposed to reflect here. So it's not yet arrived. Let's wait for some time for it to arrive. As you can see, let's wait for it to arrive. Let's wait for it to arrive. Let's wait. They have deducted the yet. As you can see, it's 1.18. I have 1.18 something before, but because I moved 0.05, they've removed it. So it's now 1.13. So once the thing is done, once the transaction is done, it's supposed to show you 0.05. So let me pause the video. So once the thing arrive, we get back to what we are doing. So I don't want to waste. As you can see guys, our token has arrived. You understand? 0.05, that's the 0.05 that I just moved from my Sepolia testnet to Mode Network. So let's go back to the task page and verify what we've just done. You understand? And verify what we've just done. So let's click on it to mark. Let's click on it to mark. So it's trying to verify if we've done that. So let's click on it. Pending the time it roll up because of time, let's go to the next tab. Mode network Twitter Leica. Let's click on this and do the Twitter page. So let's wait for it to load up. So let's like, then let's go to the next one. The next one, okay, let's verify this. This one I've not yet verified. So let's wait maybe. This one say this one is through retweeter. Let's go to the retweeter page and let's see what will happen. Go to the retweeter page and let's see what will happen. So let's repost these two. So these two verify. Let's click on these two to see if we've done that. Let me change the network to BNB. I've already done that. Let's change the network to BNB and see what will happen. Because we've already used Sevolia, that's why it brought this. Let's go back to the page. Let's go back to the page. Okay. So let's refresh this and see. Then let's go to the next task. We've done that already. Supposed to mark. Let's go down to the next task. What's the next task? Say Twitter. So let's like the post and see if we've done that. And the last one say mode network retweet at. Let's go to the retweet. Let's retweet this one too. Let's retweet this one too. Let's retweet this one too and see what will happen. Sorry about the network. So let's verify this one too. Let's verify this one. Let's verify it. Let me click on verification. This one's supposed to have been. You have filled the ground. Please wait for the creator update. Credential update from manually updated by the creator on the last update time. With 3 UTC trace ID. Okay. So that's that about that. All you just have to do is just to once this one is verified, once you've done this one, because of our time, once you've done this one, it might take some time before it will be verified. So all you just have to do is just to click here. This not eligible supposed to show blue. So then you will claim your point. So let me pause the video. Once the thing is done, then we'll. So as for the updated side, I don't want to waste much of our time. We did all the tasks as we've supposed to do it. Visit the mode bridge, connect your MetaMask wallet, click on Sevolia 10, send Sevolia testnet here to mode testnet, go to mode test to fill the ACH in your mode account. So that's everything we just did, but it's not yet verified. So according to them now, they say let's click on it say updated frequency manual updated by the curator last updated time 28 29/08/2023. So that's the time they updated it. So you can come back let's say after 24 hours to come and verify this. Then after you come back, then you'll be able to to collect your points. So that's just it. I don't want to waste much of our time. So you understand? So you can come back maybe after 24 hours after you've completed all the tasks and all that. As you can see, these are the steps to follow. Visit the mode bridge, which you've done. Connect your Winterhouse wallet, turn that, click on Sevolia testnet, then send Sevolia testnet here to mode. So that's it. You send that, go to mode testnet to view the ETH in your wallet. As you can see, you did all that. Mode network, as you can see, this is the 0.05 that I just bridged to their network. So that's it. So we've already done that. Let's just wait for them, as they say here, that updated frequency manually updated by the curator. So it will update by the curator. So thank you all for watching my video. If this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to click on the notification bell. So as for you to get notified anytime I drop any update like this. Remember, this Caldera is actually going to week 6 and this is the week 4, remember. So stay tuned guys, love you all, and bye for now.